subject ES of class 3. Your chapter number 15, fun with clay. Understood, children? You have already learned the chapter. Yes or no? Did you revise it? Very good. So today we are going to learn choose the correct answers from your workbook. So first of all, open your workbook. Have you opened, children? Yes. Open page number 117. See here, your question number 1 is choose the correct answers. See now, what is your first question? What do Kothimbu tell the crow before eating? कोथिम्बू कौन था? एक फ्रूट, और क्रो को भूख लगी थी इसलिए उसको कोथिम्बू को खाना था. Yes or no? So here your question is crow. What do कोथिम्बू tell the crow? तो कोथिम्बू ने क्रो को क्या बोला था कि मुझे नहीं खा सकता है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसका बीक dirty था. So see your option. Wash his dirty hands, wash his dirty feet, wash his dirty beak, and D is have a bath. So children, what will be your answer? Kothimbu, what do Kothimbu told to crow? To wash the beak. Yes or no? So here your option will be C. Wash its dirty beak. Understood? Now see number 2. Where did the crow go for water? Now to wash the beak, crow needs the water. Yes or no? So where did the crow go to get the water? To the well. Understood? See your options. A to the well, B to the lake, C to the house, to his house, and D to the water trough. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be A to the well. Understood? Now see number 3. What did the porter tell the crow to bring to make the pot? I repeat. What did the porter tell the crow to bring to make the pot? Children, you know that crow needs a potter to take out water from the well. Yes or no? So here crow goes to the potter. Yes, to have a pot. So what did potter told her? कि पोट बनाने के लिए क्या चाहिए क्रो को? पॉटर को पोट बनाने के लिए क्या चाहिए है? क्ले चाहिए है. यस और नो? सो क्रो को क्ले लाना पड़ेगा. यस. सी योर ऑप्शंस. ए अ स्पैड, बी क्ले यानी कि सॉइल, सी वाटर, डी पोटर्स व्हील. क्या चाहिए क्रो को पोटर को देने के लिए? पॉट किससे बनता है? सॉइल से, क्ले से. यस. सो पोटर नीड्स अ क्ले एंड क्रो हैव टू गेट इट. सो हियर व्हाट डिड पोटर टेल द क्रो टू ब्रिंग टू मेक द पोट? व्हाट डिड पोटर टेल द क्रो टू ब्रिंग टू मेक द पोट? पोटर ने क्रो को क्या लाने को बोला पोट बनाने के लिए? क्ले, ऑब्वियसली. सो योर आंसर विल बी बी, क्ले, दैट इज सॉइल. See number 4. What did the crow go? What did the crow go to take from blacksmith? Crow को blacksmith के पास से क्या लेना था? Do you remember? I have explained you in the chapter. See now. A crowbar, B water, C clay, and D a sickle. So क्या चाहिए था blacksmith के पास से उसको? A sickle. Understood? So here option will be D, a sickle. Now see number 5. What did Timba give to the crow? Timba ने crow को क्या दिया? Timba means heap of soil. तो heap of soil के पास से हमें क्या मिलेगा? Soil. See now your options. A water, B clay, C spade, D grass. So option will be B clay, that is soil. Understood? Now see number 6. What is filled in a clay pot in your house? Clay pot means जो मटका होता है वो. तो मटके में हम घर पे क्या भर के रखते हैं? क्या भरा जाता है मटके में? पानी. Yes or no? So here your option is A grain, B water, C food, D clothes. So your option will be B, that is water. Understood, children? Up till here choose the correct answers. Now see, fill in the blanks. The heap of soil यानी कि टिम्बा asked for a dash to be brought to dig a soil. उसको soil को dig करना था, तो soil यानी कि टिम्बा ने क्या बोला उसको लाने को? Horn of deer. So your first fill in the blanks answer will be horn of deer. Understood? See now number 2. The crow saw a dash on the fence. Crow ने क्या देखा था? कौन सा fruit देखा था? Tell me. Kothimbu. Yes, very good. So you will write here Kothimbu in the second fill in the blanks. See now number 3. The Kothimbu asked the crow to wash its dash. क्या क्या wash करने को बोला था? Beak. Yes. So here your answer will be beak. Understood? Now see number 4. The crow went to the dash to get a sickle. From where did crow can get a sickle? From blacksmith. So he go to the blacksmith. So here our answer will be blacksmith. Understood? Now see number 5. The crow reaped dash with the sickle and fed the cow. What did crow reap with the sickle and fed the cow? Yes, it fed the cow with grass. Very good. So your answer will be here grass. Now see number 6. The well asked the crow for a dash to fill water. पानी भरने के लिए well ने क्या लाने को बोला था? It asked to get a pot to fill the water. So here your answer will be pot in number 6. Now see number 7. The crow went to the cow to get dash. What does cow gives us? Milk. So crow went to the cow to get milk. So here your option will be, answer will be milk. Understood? Understood? Fill in the blanks. Now see next is put right or wrong mark. You have to put right mark in the sentence which is correct and wrong mark in front of the sentence which is wrong. Now see number 1. Crow saw the Kothimbu on the fence. Yes or no, children? Is it true? Yes. So you will write, do the right mark. Here in the box is given to you in front of the sentence. So here you will do right mark. Now see number 2. Crow ate the Kothimbu with its dirty beak. Did crow eat the Kothimbu with dirty beak? No. He go to the well to get the water, then to the potter, everywhere he go, so that he can wash its beak. So that is wrong sentence. So here you will do wrong mark. Now see number 3. The well told the crow to bring a bucket for water. Yes, right or wrong? Tell me. What did well told the crow? To bring a pot. Here it is written bucket. So here your answer will be wrong. Now see number 4. Crow took soil from the timba and went to the potter. Yes, is it true? He take the soil from timba and then he went to the potter. So here your answer will be right. A potter makes pots and many other things from the clay. Yes or no? From what did potter makes the pot? With the clay. So here also it is written. So here your answer will be right. Now see number 6. Blacksmith gave a sickle to the crow in exchange for money. Yes, is it right? Blacksmith take the money and then give a sickle to the crow? No. So here your option will be wrong. Now see here, match the columns. A and B are given to you. See now, number 1 is well. So here, what does well gives us? From what did we get from the well? Water. So here your option will be D, that is water. So here you will write D, well, water. Then number 2 is blacksmith. See now, what we can get from blacksmith? Sickle. Crow को क्या मिला था blacksmith के पास? Sickle. So here option will be E. So here you will write E. Now see number 3 is potter. Potter makes pot. So here A, that is pot. So here you will write A. Now see number 4 is timba. Timba is a heap of soil. So we get soil from it. So here you will write clay, that is soil. Now see here, second column, second match the following: blacksmith, blacksmith, anvil, then carpenter, carpenter's plane. वो लोग क्या यूज करते हैं हमें वो लिखना है. So blacksmith use anvil, carpenter use carpenter's plane. Yes or no? So here number 1 is D, number 2 is A, then number 3 potter. What does potter use? Tell me. See here your options. This A is already done and this D is already done. See now what is number E? Potter's wheel. Potter uses potter's wheel to make the pot. So here our option will be E. Now see number 4 is E. 4 is mason. So mason use, see here B, mason's trowel. So here your option will be